A new national campaign is underway to promote fitness for seniors. Silver and Fit is offered by Excellus Blue Cross Blue Shield. And as 13 Wham's Kelsey Smith found out, some local seniors say they're seeing results they never expected.
Great job. Lift.
I was told I can't stop exercising.
Judy Beek says taking one step at a time to get fit even later in life is life-changing.
My bone density and everything is really great, and they attribute it to the fact that I do work out on a regular basis.
Hundreds of seniors are committing to healthier lives, participating in Medicare Advantage programs like Silver and Fit program through Excellus Blue Cross Blue Shield and Silver Sneakers through MVP at Chi-Li Fitness Center. Members get deeply discounted rates on membership, and classes like this one keep them coming every week.
The feeling that one gets when they finish, and the fact that you can see yourself improving because you can stretch farther, you have more endurance.
Those benefits are exactly what Gary Gray was hoping for when he started to go to the gym to maintain his golf game through winter. But Gary says he also got added health perks.
It's definitely made a big difference. I had slight problems with high blood pressure, high cholesterol due to what I ate and everything. Started coming here 3 days a week. I only spend a half hour to an hour, and my doctor's quite happy with the results.
Results that Judy Beek says are bringing seniors of all ages into her classes.
Never too late at all. We have some people in these classes that are in their 80s, mid-80s.
Taking that extra step to a healthier life. In Chi-Li, Kelsey Smith, 13 Wham News.
And owners of the Chi-Li Fitness Center say they have about 300 senior members, all very committed to working out. Rarely do they see the numbers in their senior memberships participation drop during the year. They're
they
committed.
Stick with it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. All right.